Hi and welcome! Today we'll have a first look at the I Oehlbach Transform Dual-Plug speaker cable set. This speaker cable turned out to be an affordable and very practical solution. I'm your host Marco Lisi and thanks for joining this first look, coming right up. From our first look at the I Oehlbach Power Station 909 XXL, we know that the German brand likes to divide their products in mainly 4 categories: easy connect, performance, excellence, and state-of-the-art. Today we'll be diving into the excellence division, while I personally think that easy connect could be the more fitting category. But we must respect the company's categories in terms of quality. You'll understand later. So, what do we have? A set of speaker cables made from OFC or oxygen-free copper. In human language, some of the best copper out there. There are sets available in 2, 3 and 5 meters, convenient sizes for the most people to get set. I Oehlbach is a German company that has been around for 45 years now. They are part of the Vox German holdings, home of the brands Magnat and Heco among others. The company stands out for high-quality cables and accessories for audio, video, data and power. Depending on the required length, prices vary from €299 for a 2-meter set, €349 for a 3-meter set and €399 for the 5-meter set. The I Oehlbach Transform Dual-Plug speaker cable sets can be ordered on their website after setting up an account or bought at local dealerships. What's in the box? The cable set is packed in a nice cardboard box. But there's more. A total of 8 banana plugs and 8 spades, or how I Oehlbach calls them, cable lugs. So there's no really a front or back side with a cable now, is there? So there are 2 screw threads at both ends of the cable, which can be individually equipped with the supplied adapters. Depending on the situation, you can finish the cable with either bananas or spades on each side or mix them up. Both the screwed threads and the adapters have 24-karat gold plating to ensure maximum contact reliability. The solid metal plug of the adapters also contributes to this. Let's talk some features. The I Oehlbach Transform Dual-Plug speaker cable set contains 2 cable strands, each consisting of 4 individual stranded and isolated OFC strands. Here's the reason why this cable sits in the excellent category. From the outside, the strands are protected by a high-quality fabric jacket in an elegant design. OFC is a highly purity oxygen-free copper. It's perfectly suited as an inner conductor material due to its excellent electrical conductivity and low resistance. So what about usability? For whom is this product? And what's our first impression? The usability of the I Oehlbach Transform Dual-Plug speaker cable is the real kicker. What if you change speakers and/or amplifiers along the way? Connections can vary or change. Well, you'll never get stuck with I Oehlbach solution. Simply screw on the other adapters and you're good to go. This set outperforms every standard speaker cable set in terms of soundstage, separation, tonal balance and attention to detail. Let's round up. The I Oehlbach Transform Dual-Plug speaker cable set is the go-to practical alternative for your average standard speaker cable set. It offers added value in terms of price, finish, build quality, performance, and last but not least, practicality.